Welcome, I'm Alex. If you want a simple way to memorize civics answers, I'm here to help. Today's topic is American government. We'll go through all 72 questions from the 128-question version of the civics test released in 2025. We'll do them in random order. For each one, I'll read the question, pause, and then I'll give you one clear answer to memorize. I'll pause so you have time to answer. Not sure which civics test to study? Go to civicsquestions.com to find out and practice for free. Don't forget to subscribe for more civics prep. Are you ready? Let's begin. Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent? People in their district. How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case? 5. There are 4 amendments to the U.S. Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Any citizen can vote. Women and men can vote. What part of the federal government writes laws? U.S. Congress. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Vice President of the United States. There are 3 branches of government. Why? Checks and balances. The President of the United States is elected for how many years? 4 years. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States. Name your U.S. representative. This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States? Vote. Run for office. Who signs bills to become laws? The President of the United States. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts. How long is a term for a U.S. Senator? 6 years. The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document? Declaration of Independence. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress? Senate and House of Representatives. How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives? 2 years. How many voting members are in the House of Representatives? 435. Many documents influence the U.S. Constitution. Name one. Declaration of Independence. Name one power that is only for the states. Provide protection. Police. Name one power that is only for the federal government. Print paper money. Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does. Forms the government. Some states have more representatives than other states. Why? Because they have more people. What is the rule of law? No one is above the law. How can people become United States citizens? Naturalize. Who is the governor of your state now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? 27. How many seats are on the Supreme Court? 9. What is the highest court in the United States? Supreme Court. Name the three branches of government: Congress, President, and the courts. Who vetoes bills? The President of the United States. What are three rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of religion. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. Who elects members of the House of Representatives? Citizens from their congressional district. What is the form of government of the United States? Republic. The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean? Self-government. What is the capital of your state? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. Who appoints federal judges? The President of the United States. The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why? To keep the president from becoming too powerful. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. Name one power of the president. Signs bills into law. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Attorney General, Vice President. Who is Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military? The President of the United States. What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment? It states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people. Why is the Electoral College important? It decides who is elected president. It is important for all men age 18 through 25 to register for the Selective Service. Name one reason why. Required by law. How long do Supreme Court justices serve? For life. What does the Bill of Rights protect? The basic rights of Americans. What is one part of the judicial branch? Supreme Court. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. Writes laws. Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Equality, liberty. Who does a U.S. Senator represent? People of their state. Why is it important to pay federal taxes? Required by law. Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why? To be independent of politics. How many senators does each state have? 2. The executive branch has many parts. Name one. President of the United States. Name 2 promises that new citizens make in the oath of allegiance. Give up loyalty to other countries. Obey the laws of the United States. What does the President's cabinet do? Advises the President of the United States. Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators? To more closely follow public opinion. Why is the Declaration of Independence important? It says America is free from British control. What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws. Who elects U.S. senators? Citizens from their state. Why does each state have 2 senators? Equal representation for small states. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Mike Johnson. What is the supreme law of the land? U.S. Constitution. Who can vote in federal elections, run for federal office, and serve on a jury in the United States? Citizens. What is the economic system of the United States? Capitalism. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Donald Trump. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? J.D. Vance. How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution? Amendments. What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain? Declaration of Independence. What is one way Americans can serve their country? Vote. The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government? Executive